If your Discord mobile screen share audio not working on iPhone or Android is ruining your calls, you're in the right place. We're diving straight into the definitive solutions to get your sound back immediately. First up, always check your Discord app permissions. Head into your phone settings, find Discord under apps, and ensure microphone access is fully enabled. Sometimes, a simple permission block is the culprit, preventing Discord from capturing any audio. If that doesn't resolve the silence, the issue often lies with your device's own audio settings. Navigate to your phone's sound and vibration options, confirm all media and system volumes are up, and temporarily disconnect any Bluetooth headphones that might be hijacking the sound output. This ensures your phone isn't mistakenly rerouting audio elsewhere. Still no luck. Corrupt temporary files are a common cause, so it's time to update Discord and clear its cache. Visit your App Store, update Discord, then clear the app's cache and data from your phone settings. This cleans out any old problematic files. Finally, for persistent issues, a full reinstall of the Discord application can work wonders. Completely uninstall Discord, reboot your device to clear residual data, then download and install it fresh from your App Store. This provides a clean slate, often fixing deep-seated audio glitches with Discord mobile screen share.